start fire! Stop him! What happened?
You are hurting me.
Slade ran right by you! How could you let him get away?
But, Robin, there was no one there.
Slade must be cloaking them, just like he's cloaking himself. That's why you couldn't see him.
But if I could not see him, why could you?
What are you trying to say?
Robin, are you sure you really saw Slade?
Saw him? I fought him! You think I did this to myself?
See, Robin, there's no one here. There never was.
I have to find those generators.
There are no generators. There is no Slade.
I knew what I saw! I have to stop him. I'm the only one who can.
Robin, I'm here to help you.
Raven, what are you? You have to get out! Slade! He'll destroy you!
Robin, your heart. You're in danger. You have to trust me. Slade isn't here. He's not in the tower.
No! He's here! He's real! I've seen him!
Then let me see. Through your eyes.
You always knew it was going to end this way.
Slade! Stop!
No, I won't stop. Not now, not ever. I am the thing that keeps you up at night. The evil that haunts every dark corner of your mind. I will not rest, and neither will you.
My friends say you're not real.
I'm very real.